Dude, right there. Want the driveway to go right through those two trees, which are going to be cut down, and eliminate that little left bend in the road. Now I'll take you for a little drive down the driveway and look at all the potholes. And as soon as the road straightens out, there's no potholes basically, or lots less. And here's the stumps and stuff. It's raining. I'd give you a better view if it wasn't raining. This is looking through the other way. Once again, it goes through those two trees right there. And here's the stumps.